we will show you how to replace a 24mm cartridge by Stylish. The tools required for this process are 14mm socket, 2.5mm Allen key. Start by unscrewing the handle from the base. Use the Allen key to loosen and remove the screw securing the handle. With the 14mm socket, unscrew and remove the old cartridge by turning it counterclockwise. Insert the new 24mm cartridge into place. Using the 14mm socket, tighten the new cartridge by turning it clockwise. Before placing the handle base back in position, ensure the gasket is properly positioned to prevent leaks, as shown in the video. Place the handle back into position and secure it using the Allen key. Finally, screw the handle back onto the base. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully replaced the 24mm cartridge in your pot filler.